Hi, hello, children. We revise yesterday's lesson day before yesterday. What did I teach you? Once recall, Amma. Okay, once revise. What did I teach you day before yesterday, children? That is the first lesson: living things and non-living things. Okay, so what are the living things and what are the non-living things? Every day we observe so many things around us. What are the things we observe on the road? Cars, buses, animals, some human beings moving on the road. What are the things we can see in the park? So many kinds of plants. What are the things you can see in the sky? Sun, moon, stars, and sometimes we can find aeroplanes also flying in the sky, birds also flying in the sky. So what are the things we can observe in the playground? Some of the playing things like bat, ball, okay, and some more things. What are the things you can observe in the park? So many kinds of plants and playing things like merry-go-round, okay, and swing, okay, so many kinds of things. So what are the things we can observe in the school? Books, your bags, your friends, okay, and tiffin boxes, lunch boxes, bottles, pens, pencils, erasers, sharpeners, okay, so many things we can observe in our surroundings. Okay, things are divided into mainly living things and non-living things. What are called living things? Things which have life in them are called living things. How can you say living things have life? Living things can move, living things can need food, living things can grow, living things can breathe, living things can feel, living things can reproduce. From these examples, we can say that all living things have life in them, isn't it? So all living things move from one place to another. How the animals move from one place to another? Why the animals move from one place to another? For searching the food, okay, to find out the shelter, to find out the water, okay. Now if we when we visit a garden, we observe number of birds, number of animals, they find food, okay, and insects also goes from one flower to another for sucking the nectar. Nectar is a sweet juice obtained from the flowers. All the animals move from one place to another for different purpose. Okay, now see here, dog is moving, okay, and cat is moving, a boy is moving, and birds can fly with the help of wings, fish can move with the help of fins. Insects also suck nectar from the flowers. All the living organisms move from one place to another for different purpose with the help of their locomotory organs. How can you walk, Amma? You can walk with the help of your legs. How can fish move in the water? With the help of fins. How does the bird fly? Bird fly with the help of wings. All the animals move from one place to another for different purpose. They need food. They find the shelter. Okay, they protect from the any dangerous animal also. Okay, now for escaping also they have to move from one place to another. Next word, all living things can grow. All the living organisms can grow. Okay, now when you are in LKG, your growth is this much, no. Okay, now your height is increased. Growth means actually increase in the size. Okay, now a small puppy grows into a dog. Okay, and a small kitten grows into a cat. Okay, so all the living organisms grow. Okay, a small puppy grows into a cat. A small puppy grows into a dog. Okay, kitten grows into a cat. Okay, and a small boy. I will show one picture. See here. So growth, what is meant by growth, Amma? Growth is actually an increase in the size of the body. See here. Okay, small boy grows into a child, then grows into an adult. Here see a small plant. A seed grows into a small plant, which further grows into a big plant, and then big tree. Is it clear? Is it clear? So all living things can grow. Okay, na? Growth means actually increasing in the size. Okay, na? Increasing in the size of the body. All living things need food. Without food we can't live. All the living organisms need food. We also depend on plants for our food. Okay, now animals also get their food from the plants and animals. Only green plants can make their own food with the help of sunlight, air, water, with the help of chlorophyll. Only green plants can make their own food. But remaining animals, see here ma, monkey eats banana, okay, and cow eats grass. Birds also collect so many food material from their surrounding, okay. See here squirrel also eat fruit and grains. See here cat eats the rats, okay. And also see here birds also build a nest on the top of the trees, okay. Now they too collect from food from outside and give the food material to their babies. All the living organisms need food to stay alive, okay. Now why do we need food? For growth, okay, and for protect of our body from the diseases and keeps our body to fit and healthy, okay na. So we need to food, okay na. If you do not take food for a long time, what will happen to you? First we feel hungry, okay na, our body may get weak and then die. All the living organisms need food to stay alive and grow, okay, and keeps our body fit and healthy. All the living things breathe. What is the next characteristic feature of living things? Breathe. All living things need to breathe, okay, and all living organisms need to breathe, amma, okay. Humans, we are all breathe through the lungs, okay. Plants breathe through stomata, okay. Okay, see here fish breathe through gills. Fish breathe through gills. Fish breathe through gills. Humans are breathe through the nose, okay. And also see here all insects also breathe through the air holes. Air holes are present along the sides of their bodies, okay. All plants also breathe through stomata, okay. Where are the stomatas are present? Underside of the leaf, number of tiny pores are present which are called stomata, okay. All the living things can breathe, okay. They have different breathing organs, okay. All the birds also breathe with the help of lungs. Lion, tiger, okay. All the land animals, most of the land animals breathe through lungs, okay. All the animals feel. All living things can feel. For example, I will show one video for you. See here, is it visible? See here ma, okay. Already I taken one cardboard ma. I make a hole on the top of the cardboard and I kept one plant inside the cardboard, okay. Now see what will happen. Sunlight allow through the hole. Plants use the sunlight from the hole, okay. Sunlight enters through the hole. Plant uses the sunlight from the hole, okay. So plants to respond to stimuli. Plants grows towards the sunlight. See here, see this picture. Plants grows towards the sunlight. See this plant, amma. See this plant. My touch me not plant. Is it clear? Touch me not plant. When we touch the touch me not plant, the leaves immediately fold, amma. See here, very clear. It is very clear. This video is very clear. All plants they do not sense organs, but they have to feel. When we touch the touch me not plant, observe carefully this video. When we touch the touch me not plant, the leaves folds immediately, okay. If we remove your hand back, they may get normal position, okay na. So all living things can feel, okay. So all living things can feel. When we touch the touch me not plant, the leaves immediately fold. When we remove your hand back, they may get their normal position, okay. And if we give food to the dog also moving its tail, no, and aerating water come from its mouth, means droplets of saliva also coming from the mouth, that is called feeling. But plant, they do not have sense organs, but they too respond lightly, they too respond. Okay na? So and if we touch the hot pan, what will happen? Immediately withdraw our hands back. No. Yes, all living things, for example, we have sense organs. We feel sometimes cool, sometimes hot. Yes, okay, when we touch the heart vessel, immediately withdraw your hand back. Okay, you feel pain, you feel hot. For example, take 2 ice cubes, keep on your hands. How do you feel? You feel something cool. Okay, now take 2 glasses of hot water, keep your fingers in the hot water. How do you feel? You feel something hot. Okay, this is means feeling. All the living organisms feel. Okay na? And also listen, all the living organisms, plants also can changes around them, but they do not have sense organs. Okay na? All living things respond to changes in the surroundings. Human beings, other animals have also sense organ to feel changes around them. Is it clear? All the living organisms reproduce. For example, see here, all the living things can feel. When we iron the clothes, suddenly you may get shocked. What will you do in that situation? Immediately withdraw your hand back. When we are iron the clothes, suddenly they may get shocked. Immediately withdraw your hand back. That is also called response to stimuli. All the living things can feel. All the living things reproduce. Reproduce means what? Produce young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. Reproduction is the two way. Some animals directly give birth to their babies, and some animals like birds, reptiles, snakes, lizards, they have to lay the eggs. Those eggs hatch out and young ones come out. So all living things reproduce in two ways. Some animals directly give birth to their babies. Some animals lay the eggs. Oh, see here, see, cow gives birth to calf, and buffalo gives birth to its baby, and see here, dog gives birth to puppy. Okay, and one more picture for you. See here, lion and tiger also give birth to their babies, and all the living organisms reproduce. All the living organisms reproduce. Cat gives birth to cat gives birth to their babies. Okay, so dog gives birth to puppy, cat gives birth to kitten, lion and tiger gives birth to their babies. All the living organisms produce their young ones of their own kind. But some birds also build nests. See, some birds lay the eggs, okay, in the nest. Some birds lay the eggs in the nest, okay na. Eggs hatch out and young ones come out. Okay, see this picture. Mother bird collect some food material from outside and give to their babies. Okay na. Sometime parent bird, sometime mother bird collect food material for their young ones. Okay na. So birds, insects, reptiles, snakes, okay, all these animals also lay the eggs in some way. Those eggs hatch out and young ones come out. So reproduction means what? Produce their own kind. Okay na. Producing young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. Okay, all living things grow old and die. They have particular lifespan. Okay na. Human beings living 70 or 80 years. Some human beings living more than 90 years. Okay, all living things have particular lifespan. What is called lifespan? The time period for which living organisms remains alive is called its lifespan. So dog also live 15 or 20 years. Okay, banyan tree living more than 200 years. Okay, housefly living 1 month, 20 to 30 days. Like that, all living organisms have particular lifespan. All living things grow old and finally they may die. Okay, is it clear? Now I will okay children, tomorrow I will explain you about natural things and man-made things. See you tomorrow. Bye. Have a good day.